Taylor County is taking no chances.
Don't ever underestimate the storm.
Now less than 24 hours before Debby is expected to make landfall.
So I filled up my propane, so we've got electric. Fill up my tanks, so we're going to have plenty of water.
Final preparations are finishing up here.
We have cleaned up our yard. We have secured everything and anything that can move around.
Denise Burrows tells me that's to get ahead of any potential damage.
And it looked like a bomb hit this entire area.
Like the scenes she's still haunted by from Hurricane Idalia.
General feelings right now?
A little overwhelmed. Overwhelmed because it's too soon.
That's why her yard that you see here looks so bare.
Everything outside is a missile. The more you pick up and move it away from your house, the less damage you're going to have.
A shelter is open at Taylor County Elementary School. Superintendent of Taylor County Schools, Alicia Bashirs, says this is the only shelter they anticipate will open to the public. She says the school district will work closely with first responders and will help pass along important information.
Take it serious. Just because it's not projected to be as strong as Hurricane Idalia doesn't mean that the damage can't be as bad.
And while neighbors are confident in the resiliency of this town, they are all erring on the side of caution.
I don't know if it makes it easier because you have that feeling of fight or flight.